Electromagnetic wave spectrum prepared by Arun Kumar Gupta. Nature of electromagnetic waves. Maxwell concept of displacement current lead to the conclusion that an electric field varying with time at a point produces magnetic field at that point. This symmetry in the law of electricity and magnetism leads to the conclusion that a time varying electric field gives rise to a time varying magnetic field, and vice versa. Electric and magnetic fields in electromagnetic waves is of transverse nature. The diagram shows that a EM waves which is propagated along the z direction and its component electric field and magnetic field component which are mutually perpendicular. Electric field component is along x direction and magnetic field component along the y direction. The electric field Ex is along the x-axis and varies sinusoidally with z at a given time. The magnetic field B by E is along the y-axis and again varies sinusoidally with z. The electric and magnetic fields Ex and E by E are perpendicular to each other and to the direction z of propagation. We can write Ex and E by E as Ex equal to E naught sine kz minus omega t. This is equation first. B by E is equal to B naught sine kz minus omega t. This is equation 2. Here k is related to the wavelength lambda of the wave by the usual equation k is equal to 2 pi upon lambda, and omega is the angular frequency. K is the magnitude of wave vector or propagation vector, and its direction describe the direction of propagation of wave. Property of electromagnetic waves. First, variation in both electric and magnetic fields occur simultaneously. Therefore, they attain their maxima and minima at the same place and at the same time. Second, the direction of electric and magnetic fields are mutually perpendicular to each other and as well as to the direction of propagation of wave. The diagram and electric field and magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other. 3. The electric field vector E and magnetic field vector B are related by C is equal to E naught upon B naught, where E naught and B naught are the amplitudes of respective fields and C is the speed of light. Fourth, the velocity of electromagnetic waves in free space C is equal to 1 upon root square mu naught epsilon naught. 5. The velocity of electromagnetic waves in a material medium 1 upon square root epsilon mu, where mu and epsilon are the absolute permeability and absolute permittivity of material medium. 6. Electromagnetic waves obey the principle of superposition. 7. Electromagnetic wave carry energy as they propagate through space. This energy is divided equally between electric and magnetic field. 8. Electromagnetic waves can transfer energy as well as momentum to objects placed on their paths. 9. For discussion of optical effects of EM waves, more significance is given to electric field E. Therefore, electric field is called light vector. 10. Electromagnetic waves do not require material medium to travel. 11. An oscillating charge which has known zero acceleration can produce electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic spectrum. The orderly distribution of electromagnetic radiations according to their wavelength or frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. Now the spectrum. First, radio wave, range of wavelength a few kilometer to 0.3 meter, range of frequency a few hertz to 10 to the power 9 hertz, source oscillating electronic circuit, use radio and TV broadcasting. Second, microwave, range of wavelength 0.3 meter to 10 to the power minus 3 meter, range of frequency 10 to the power 9 hertz to 3 into 10 to the power 11 hertz, source special vacuum tubes called clustrons and magnetrons, use radar analysis of fine details of atomic and molecular structures, and microwave oven. 3. Infrared wave, range of wavelength 10 to the power minus 3 meter to 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, range of frequency 3 into 10 to the power 11 hertz to 4 into 10 to the power 14 hertz, source molecules and hot bodies, use industry, medicine, astronomy, night vision device, greenhouse, revealing secret, writing on ascent walls, etc. 4. Light or visible spectrum, range of wavelength 7.8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter to 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, range of frequency 4 into 10 to the power 14 hertz to 8 into 10 to the power 14 hertz, source atoms and molecules when electrons are excited, use optics and optical instrument, vision, photography, etc. 5th, ultraviolet rays, range of wavelength 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter to 6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, range of frequency 8 into 10 to the power 14 hertz to 3 into 10 to the power 17 hertz, shows atoms and molecules in electrical discharges and shun, use medicine, medical application, sterilization, killing bacteria and germs in food stuff, visible writing, fogged documents, fingerprint, etc. 6. X-ray, range of wavelength 10 to the power minus 9 meter to 6 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter, range of wavelength, range of frequency 3 into 10 to the power 17 hertz to 5 into 10 to the power 19 hertz, shows inner or more tightly bound electrons in atoms, use X-ray photography, treatment of cancer, skin disease and tumor, locating cracks and flaws in finished metallic object, study of crystal structure, etc. 7. Gamma rays, range of wavelength, they overlap the upper limit of the X-ray 10 to the power minus 10 meter to 10 to the power minus 14 meter, range of frequency 3 into 10 to the power 18 hertz to 3 into 10 to the power 22 hertz, source radio wave substance, radioactive substance, use information about the structure of nuclei, astronomical research, etc. Thank you.